What do you know about Sophia Huang's situation right now? What's the latest update?
So the latest update is that after 2 years, the anniversary of her detention was on 19th of September. She was detained in 2021. That for 2 years she has been kept in detention without the fair trial, in the situation that she could not choose a lawyer of her own choosing, a situation that she could not communicate with the family, with the people, friends that she know. And it has been very difficult to get information about her whereabouts. But at the same time, we've been receiving some news from the inmates and people who are surrounding her in jail about her condition. And her condition is very serious right now.
What exactly was she arrested for, and has any other information come out about that during the trial?
It's also unclear at this moment, and this is also difficult to say what type of evidence the court will use against her. She was a journalist, that is true, and this is the fact. She has been reporting on the Hong Kong protests, for which she was briefly detained in 2019 under the other accusations of picking quarrels and provoking trouble, which is one of the pocket crimes that regime is using against the journalists and the press freedom defenders, for the simple fact on writing about the protest and signing this with her own name. At the same time, she was very vocal about the Me Too movement. She also supported the journalists in Me Too movement in China. She did a survey of more of 400 journalists to see what is the extent of the sexual harassment in the newsrooms in China. And from her result, it was at least 80% of women who were working as a journalist at the time were subjected to some type of the sexual harassment in the workspace.
What should we keep an eye out for with Sophia Huang's case?
For me, it's right now difficult to say how many days it will take, how many months or weeks. But also, it's very difficult for me to say if she has even chance for acquittal. I think, honestly speaking, to be pessimistic about it, there's really, really small chance for that. Nothing has been really changed in the past years. I would even say that since the Xi Jinping took power since 2012, the situation deteriorated significantly. And we see that more and more independent voices are being silenced. There's more and more policies that are targeting this type of people. And it's really difficult for journalists to do the work. And it's not only about the journalists in China, but also for the foreign correspondents and other people who just want to make sure that the facts are reported for the broader public.